All right, we are back with more Factorio. Here we go. I am Pax, and we are continuing here with our playthrough of Factorio Space Exploration. And we just got the material catalog up and running, level 2. But I think we're just bottlenecked. Actually, it's saturated. So we want to... Oh, it's being goofy. We want to get the material catalog stuff over here and get science up and running, so let's put the requests on the network here, and it needs also the heavy girders. I'm going to do 1,000. Might be like too many. Same thing here. Heavy girders. Just do the same numbers. I think it's pretty similar. Then we also want to change you to be the level 2. Then we need to replace the fluids. Okay. Yep. And this is fine. All right. Then do we have anything else? I guess you need inserters. So we'll get this going. Then change to level 2 material science. Then I think it should be okay. There's the broad material catalog arrived. And we'll get it going a little bit. Then, do we have the things on the rocket? Probably not. So let's go check out the rocket very quickly. And we want to add, oh, there is here. It is here. Okay, it probably just hasn't come up yet, but it'll be here shortly. Then let's see, this is probably stalled by now, and we could maybe work on, let's see, do we have, is any of the Astro catalog going yet? We're still waiting on Astro catalog 2 get going as well, so we can try to do, maybe I can just finish this. No, probably not, but it'd be nice to get this. Then let's get the next build site kind of started. So we want to again build out some infrastructure over here for doing the energy science. And we can look at Helmod and look at the build. So this one has like some pretty big buildings, and it's going to be a pretty big build in general, I think. So going to take a lot of work to get all of this stuff going. But it doesn't look too horrendous. We shall see. Let's go ahead and maybe fly over to the build site. Yep. Works out pretty well, I guess. Then hopefully the bots can continue helping us here. Get that report down. And let's just get some more scaffolding going. Alright, so let's check in on other things. So we have rockets looking good. Main base looking okay. Then I've been thinking a little bit about how to do the rest of the production, and I decided I want to try to get almost everything for the science packs built in the main hub. And so we're going to ditch the nanomaterial, we're going to ditch the naquium, and we're going to ditch the superconductive cable for the cars on belts, and we want to add in the vitamelange extract. Then we also want, so we have the tier 1, 2, and 3 of the beryllium. We have tier 1, 2, and 3, or I really mean 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4 of the iridium. And then we have 2 and 3 for holmium. But the last thing for holmium I can't actually build on the ground, so we're going to skip that. But then it'd be nice to actually have the vitamelange. And then we need a couple of more spots. And so one of them I'll put down here, and this will be for the bioscrubber. And then what we could do as well is put another one over here. And this would be for the vitalic reagent. And it would be nice to also do the vitalic epoxy, but there's not like necessarily a great place of doing it unless we got rid of something. And it could be the case that we could ditch there's 2 slots I use for rocket fuel. That might not be necessary, but I still want to get more done over here in terms of the scaffolding so we can get started on the energy science. And then let's see, we could put our train station down. There you go. And let's just get the tracks built. Okay, let's go check in again on the main base. And so I guess, is there anything else we could get rid of? Probably not. Everything else I'm pretty sure is important and being used. So then I think, yes, I'll just ditch this and put the vitalic epoxy here as well. And this will be the new framework for the cars, so could just paste on all the filters now, but I'll do some of them. So that's kind of the idea. You can do all the filter pasting from the nav satellite, which is kind of nice. So then this will update the cars, and now we can do basically all the intermediate products for science, at least for the specialist science in the main hub, and that will go quite a long way, I think, for making it pretty easy to round out all the specialist science. Because then we could do things over here, and so one idea is I'm just going to ditch this. I'm ditching this. I'm making it sulfuric acid, so goodbye. Then the point is that I can bring across, so I started doing this already, but I can bring across over here the lubricant and just kind of throw it in like this. And then up here will be these, I don't think I have them unlocked yet, right? Because it's Material Science 1. But this will be like the heavy girders. And then I can do the bio stuff here. So the idea will be to have some chemical plants. Let's see, let's copy, this. Okay, we're good with that. That's good. But then, yeah, so we'll just have some chemical plants here, and we'll have to make vitalic acid, and then we'll also make the bioscrubbers. And they need fluids and stuff, so then the idea will be the vitalic acid needs sulfuric acid, and we'll make this sulfuric acid. And I think we can snake it in over here. So if we move this inserter, then we can put a pipe to ground under here, and then we could put it all the way over here, I think. Yes. So you'll be the vitalic acid, right? And so we'll put the sulfuric acid on the cars, right side where the cars are, and then, yes, we'll just snake this pipe through. It's pretty nice, and we'll build, you know, just like some pipes here. Where are my automatic undergrounds? How did that happen? Now let's do it, then we need to do it like this then. Yes. Because I think this, yeah, this needs the vitamelange extract. So you'll be doing this, you'll be doing this, and then we can put it in the back and go like this. Oops. And that will give us the vitalic acid. So let's ask for the sulfuric acid fluid. Not that much, please. Cool, okay. And then we want the bioscrubbers here. So I think that's also in the chemical plant. Yes, bioscrubbers. And yeah, we have the fluids on the back now. Okay, we got airframe scaffold as well. Then that means we have the tier 1 science kind of going. I want to grab these buildings and then maybe this. And then we could go for, yeah, we want to start getting Astro Science 2 because we do want that soon. And then hopefully by the time we're done with that, we'll have some material science packs, pack 1s at the Science Hub. Do we ask for them? Oh, wait, we gotta finish setting up the trains for material science, I guess. Hold on. All right, so let's see. We do ask for it, but then we gotta, hey, spaceship. Okay, then we should have almost be ready for the, so we put it out here, right? Yeah, so the material science, and then we want to bring it over. Material science 1, negative 400, and put it on the bus. Okay, so hopefully then that will give us some material science soon enough. And then we have here now ready for the energy science build. So let's open Helmod again and pin. Okay, then, so we need our usual stuff. It's like a little bit of a kind of significant thermofluid build. So let's start with our build over here. That looks okay, something like this. And paste this down. 2, 4, 6, 7. Just gonna delete these ones just so that the thermofluid will build up faster. And we could save some space, I think, but we might not need to. So then let's continue just building the sushi belt. Let's just kind of do this standard thing for a sec for now. So we'll just get it kind of started. So we have some thermofluid, that's something. And we need some recycling. So we don't need that much, but we'll need the kind of standard recycling things. And we'll need, we want the decontamination stuff as well, so we'll need all this. Of course, fluids to a barrel. Okay, that gets us going. Gonna have to make material science packs, and hopefully we can just do that from the recycling as a plan. Then we need plasma, so plasma generators galore here. 3 of them I think is sufficient with extra speed modules. Then we need these big buildings for producing these particle streams. And okay, and we need, we want the junk data card recycling here. Let's get the other computers over here, probably like this. Then, let's see, we need these laser facilities. We need these also probably near the thermofluid. So we could just shove them over here maybe. Let's see, I guess we can put them next to each other like that. I think it works, yes. What else? And then these data cards, and we need 2, okay, these also need thermofluid. So maybe we can bring the super cooled up through here. So I'll give it a space. But we want the, let's see, we want this one on the back. The return, so we'll have a return line. We want our usual return line, so it's all kind of in the way of the return line here. Okay, return line would go like this. So that's, you know, that, I guess. But then we also need these 2 buildings, which are very large. And as you can see, there's not much space left. So I think in this case, we're going to make an exception to the sushi belt and do it kind of like we did with astro science, but make some more space. So we're going to move this stuff up higher. So let's just put it up there for a sec. And then maybe cut this as well. And then let's see if we can put these other big buildings on the inside. So they would need to be like 1, 2, 3 at least away. And one of them has thermofluid too, so so I think actually let's put the thermofluid one, let's see, because we need the super cold. So let's put the thermofluid one over here. And then I think as long as it has 1 space here, that could work. So let's start with this. And we need this one. We could put them together. Can we put these ones together? Possibly, actually. Oh wait, they need to flip. So then 1, 2, 3 I think would work. Okay, let's get this one. Let's see. I'll leave a space for now. We'll see if we need to get it back. Well, see, we could actually do it without a space because these can touch like that. Oops. Spaceship, you're back. Did you bring methane ice back? Of course. All right, then, okay, so that's kind of the new idea, I guess. And so we could put this sushi palette up a little bit higher. So it would go here, right? So we could do this. This could work. And bring it up here, I guess. Oops. Oh no. Okay, do this. Do that. Do that. Make sure all the wires are there. Okay, that's a little more breathing room for us. Then, let's see, maybe we can fit this stuff over here. And maybe we can do something else with this recycling. So the thing is that these 2 actually don't need to touch the bus. Because I think we definitely produce contaminated scrap is the problem. Yeah, so we need to get rid of the contaminated scrap and turn it back into regular scrap. So, you know, that could work. guess it doesn't need to be a filter inserter. You'll just put the regular scrap back. Then we want to do, yeah, so we want to deal with the contaminated water. And you need water in. And you also need the biosludge. So how can we maybe just move this a little bit closer? And could just put this, just put it here, I guess. Or we could put it here, here, here. Because it also produces contaminated scrap, right? Maybe this. Because then we could just feed back the contaminated scrap. And then something, something. Then somehow we need the water though too. What if we did it that way? We'll come back to this, something like that. Let's kind of do this next. Alright, so we want this return stuff for sure. Probably just then maybe this. Let's see, you guys. And does this work? Let's just try going like this for a sec. Something like that to get it back. Yeah, that kind of makes sense. Okay. Then how are we going to get, let's see, so then you're supposed to be actually, we need a super cooled. So it could have, I had to speed this one up to make it down to 1, or I could have 2. I think there's enough room for 2 actually. So maybe let's add an extra one. I guess it goes there. Okay. Because then, so you need actually cool. You just need cool. So you would go like this. And that's all the place cool has to go. Then the cold comes in here. So you need cold, you need cold, you need cold. But I think I'm gonna switch it. Right, so the idea is that this is here. Gives us cool in, cold coming out, cold, 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 all cold. Wait, yeah, but then what we want to do is bring it down like that, switch it over. Guess we still just need pipes. And I guess it continues, yes. So over to here. Then we'd start the super cold bus. Okay. And it needs to come way over here. Can we make it, bring it way over here like this. Then, can we somehow push these a little closer? Will this work? Like that, yeah. And now we can put this one here at least. Let's just try that. And the point will be to push the super cold back through here. So we can do this. Can do a big long one. And then do some pipe magic. What looks good? Like this. Could save a space maybe. But this is like kind of the idea, I guess. And this would have to go all the way to here. So can we then just do this, I guess? Okay. I guess that works. So there's the super cold. It gets through. Then we need to recycle the rest of it. Sure. Or like we could do it like this, I guess. I don't know. Doesn't matter. And then go back. Okay, there's that. And this is looking kind of okay. So we'll deal with the scrap. You guys have the super cold. Okay, you guys also need to return, of course. So this is a problem. Let's do that. Do that. Okay, that's that. Yes. And you need this and this. It's also a problem. So let's just, that'll work. Yes. There we go. Space pipes. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. All right, so let's see if we can deal with the scrap. So let's actually gonna move this over here. Let's see, can we also squeeze this? Then we could put the heavy oil bottling or something over here. That could work. I think we'll just have to export the heavy oil. There's nothing we can do with it, but we can make the material testing packs out of I could actually fit them here even. Could squeeze that here. I think that works, that's fine. Okay, that's something. And then we got the oils, and then, oh, conveniently, these are right across. Who would have thought that we can do that? Then, let's see, we want to then maybe move these guys. Let's maybe do 2 spaces here. And we will need the chemical gel thing. I want to have the plasma in the back. And I guess the chemical gel in front. Yeah, I guess we could just do this. Yeah, okay, maybe. Could do that, and then just get maybe some long ones, some 5s. How do 5s fit? 5s fit, right? 5, 5, and these are maybe 7s. 7, 7. Doesn't matter. So do this, and what's a 3 here? Okay, that gets the plasma to our proton stream and our ion stream. Those are hooked up. Okay, we're like making some progress. Let's see, what do we want to do with this? We need to get some water from somewhere. Maybe move this a little bit. Can push it over to the right some. And we probably want to put, I guess, to unbarrel the water here. I think we will need some amount of water, right? Yes, right? Yes. And then the contaminated water, contaminated biosludge. Whichever ways could we do it? Could do it like this, but that's lame. Like this, nah. This is okay. I think this is maybe the best way. This goes here. We've got contaminated biosludge together. That's what I want. And then we can get the other one that does the biosludge. Yeah, just pop it here, I think, right? And then you can ditch your random stuff. We can do this, I guess. Can start adding some of the power poles here. I don't like where that one is. Can you go one more? That looks pretty good. And what about up here? Let's see, we can't really reach over there with this. So that one works. This kind of works. Then I guess we need to put it here would be good for sure. We kind of need one over here then. Can we put it behind it? I could. It's kind of lame. Let's just make an extra space then. Do that. Okay, and one more substation. There. That looks pretty good power-wise. Everything looks like it has electricity now. And you're going to be build heavy. Okay, this is looking good. Let's maybe start asking for some of the basic things. We need some thermofluid. I just want to get the thermofluid going because it has, again, a big buffer to fill up. And we need chemical gel. We need, is there any other fluids? I think that's it, right? Thermofluid, chemical gel, cosmic water, you know, and then we'll, of course, just fill the biosludge barrels up and put them on the logistics network. Then, are you guys good with being cold? Okay, we need these guys. You're cold, super cold's coming across and around. It's fine, looks good. Got all the return thermofluid. Then we should have, let's see, you guys just need inputs. We're happy here. You guys need also just inputs. So we'll do something like this. Okay, I see it's on the other side. Okay, we'll just do this then. There's no power here, but not a big deal. And what else can we do? Do we need more recycling? What about the barrels? Can we recycle the barrels? I don't think so, right? There's nothing that eats the steel is the concern. What about the data cards? We need the junk data cards. Yes, that's what we need. We do make junk data cards, so maybe we can squeeze in the recycling facility over here. This one. And I guess I could just go, I could go here, could go here, could go here. Could go here even, up here. 1, 2, 3. Just do it like this a little bit, sure. I think this will be good. And we'll just do, where's a good one? Like this, yeah. Squeeze that in there. Sure. Have some speed modules. Okay, that'll take care of the junk data cards as well. Very nice, very nice. This is looking good, so let's start maybe... Okay, do we have the thermofluid here? No. Just put some thermofluid on when you have it, please. Okay, let's see. Let's check out the base. What's going on? There isn't thermofluid. Okay. Are we out of... kind of out of the astro science? Did we ever get any material science? No. How's it looking? Do we have any? No. And why not? There's no girders. You asked for girders though, right? And I guess the rocket just hasn't launched yet. Let's see. Rocket. Still waiting on launching for the girders. Yes. That's okay. Let's look at the vitalic acid situation. Okay. Okay, the sulfuric acid is here, but we didn't hook it up. So that's okay. We can just do this. So that'll get it there, and hopefully... You don't have any extracts? Oh, right, I didn't bring the extracts in. Let's see. We're not going to bring in spice, and I was kind of thinking actually of just making it a 4. I'll change it later though, I think. We'll just do it. We're just going to have the 4 things here instead of making it room for 6. So then we can bring in some extract, vitamin melange extract, negative, whatever, 4,000, sure. So that'll put it on. That should be good. Although a lot of the cars don't have the filters, so I'm just gonna randomly do it again, I guess. Should be fine, whatever. All right, whatever, it's fine. Okay, getting the thermofluid up and running a little bit, that's good. Then let's go around and do the inserters then. So let's start with this. So you'll need this. You'll need the opposite of this. So you'll say heavy oil, you want it, but I'm going to move. Actually, that's fine, yeah. That's good, that's good. These don't have any outputs. Yes, you're good, I think. Yes. Then, okay, so all the contaminated scrap is just gonna go onto the bus. Okay, right, we have to be careful. There's no power over here, right? So let's just grab our thing. So you need contaminated scrap and atomic data. Okay. Contaminated scrap. We're gonna go with 40. And atomic data. 20 is fine. That's good. Guessing you're similar. Not really, but yeah, kind of. Okay, you need to be over here. Sure. Or, okay, fine. Oops. Okay, so quantum, right? You're quantum? No, subatomic. Subatomic and junk data cards, right? Yeah. Junk data cards. There you go. Junk data cards. 20 is fine. Okay. Okay, well, you're going to be copper and iron. Let's do some extra inserters for you guys. Plates. Copper plates. And 20 is good. Let's do 40. 40. Then you will also be here. And material testing packs. 40 might be okay, it might be too many. We don't need that many. I think you're the only one, right? Yeah, but it doesn't matter. All right, and you want scrap galore, and of course, let's see, we need actually though iron, copper, stone, right? Ores. Okay. Oops. Stone. Stone. Iron. Iron. Copper ores. Alright, and then they should eat them pretty effectively, and then hopefully you eat that. Yes. Good, good. Alright, what about you? 1, 2, 3, 4 things out. Okay. Let's go with that. Let's start with this. 4 things out. Okay. Junk. Okay. And contaminated scrap. So we want these. And we want contaminated scrap. And put this up to 40. Then I think we need to put these higher because this is getting recycled, right? So maybe like 50. Okay, something like that. We need inputs. Just copy this to here as well. All right, you need just the 2 things out. Like that. This and this. This is the wrong thing. It should be this one. Let's see, these actually need the tier 1 data cards. So let's go over here. And we want to put them on the bus like we did for astroscience. So it's the polarization data, 200. And the force electromagnetic field data. Okay, get those going on the bus. And that's good. Let's apply them. Let's see. How's our science doing? Is anything going? Are we just backlogged on data cards? Most likely. Almost certainly. How it always goes. Too many data cards. We almost have enough astroscience level 1 to get another train over here, but I think astroscience is stalled also because of... Oh yeah, you have your thing. Why are you stalled? Just data cards. It's data cards, yes. That's why. It is data cards. Yes, yes. Data cards, data cards. Okay, you want the quantum. And just copy and paste this here. Okay, I think this is working. This is looking pretty okay. Oh yeah, before we send the rocket up, let's quickly add the holmium cable to it. I think we need that. Go here. Holmium cable. 1,000 probably. It's fine. Just for now. We'll figure it out later. How's it looking? 376? It's pretty good. Alright. Hopefully some thermofluid starts ramping up. It does take a while. Might just speed you up a bit. Start with that. It's fine. Okay, we're almost done with the inserters as well, it looks like. So let's just finish up here. Gimme. And yes, just the one thing out. You are the broad. Energy catalog. Here we go. Go there. And of course, we want the data card stuff. Oops. So you'll be junk. Junk. Broken. Cool. Okay, cool. There we go. All right. This is looking like something. It's looking like something for sure. And I think the recycling's good. Scrap. So we'll be producing a lot of scrap, so we'll want the scrap off. So yeah, we need to take the barrels off, of course. We need to take scrap off. Just take all of it. Then, yeah, of course, we want the broad energy catalog. Then I think we need to do have some barrels. You know, we want this little recycling thing. Okay, we need all the other barrels. Chemical gel, cosmic water, Were there any others? I guess not, right? That's it, right? Okay. Yes, we'll have to take off heavy oil barrels, I guess, as well as part of the recycling. I don't know what we're going to do with those. It's going to be... Gonna have to figure out something with that, but no worries. Then we need stuff, other stuff. Data cards. Okay, of course we're not going to get any probably. We need holmium cable. That's probably fine. What else? We need those other data cards. We need stone, iron, copper. We kind of make those. And then this plastic. Yeah, we need all this stuff for material science. So let's grab, the material testing packs. We want some polarization data. Let's do 100, I guess. And electromagnetic field data, yes. 100, negative 100. Yes, and then we want all this stuff for material testing packs. So we want some amount of iron. We don't need too much. Let's see, at least 2 stacks. Let's do 4 stacks. Iron, copper. Hopefully like all of this will come from the recycling, but we do need some of it. We'll just do 400 then. Stone, we need plastic bar as well. So that does the material testing packs. These things, iron, yes, these look good. I already got some thermofluid. Okay, I think we're okay then. That looks like almost everything. Cool, yeah, I think that is everything, hopefully. Hopefully. All right, let's just then, let's see, do the rest of it. Okay. Just go through the same set of things. 40 data cards. These guys, just do 10. 10. Then, yes, stone. Do 20 of these, I guess. Stone, iron plate, copper plate, and plastic bar. Although technically it should be less. Or I guess it'll be fine. What do we say? 50 for you guys? 40. It'll be fine. And I think all these are fine, right? 40, yeah. Okay, that should work. And the plastic we need. Yes, and what else? Is there anything else? Just data cards. And hopefully this will be enough. I mean, it should definitely be enough, right? We're bringing it in, so it should be going soon enough. Okay, got some thermofluid life, looks like. But yeah, I'm guessing we're just never going to have enough data cards. Let's just kind of do this thing real quick too then. Yeah, we don't need that many. Let's get maybe a RoboPort over here. Feels like we just have too much room, doesn't it? Are we missing anything? Got some plasma going. So soon we should get some proton stream and some ion stream. We're ready also, almost. Oh, I see. This got disconnected. There we go. All right, making some testing packs. There we go. Should be having some blank data cards. Just waiting on these things to finish. There we go. Ion stream. Proton streams coming. Blank data cards. Just waiting on data cards. Yeah, you just need data cards. You don't have cold thermofluid though. This is right? It's just not making it, I guess. Yeah, I think so. It's just not enough thermofluid yet, but that's not too surprising. We got the super cold already. Okay, yeah, we need the holmium cable. Yes, we did not put that on there. Put it on here, hopefully, and We need it here. Holmium cable 20 is fine. Okay, then let's go check on the rocket one more time. Are you looking good? Yeah, 428. We got the holmium cable. We want that. Got the girders. Some more trains. Looks pretty good. Let's go ahead, launch. How's the cars looking? We got any? No extract has made it here yet. Then bio scrubbers, yeah, they're gonna go back on. Why is there no extract? Did I not? I did ask for it. It's here. But okay. Oh, I see. These are wrong. Vitamin launch extract. It's supposed to be what? Less than? Greater than 0? Okay. This, and this. Alright, that was missing, so that's pretty important. We could also start working on the aeroframe poles. So I think I was going to use maybe this set of columns for doing these other second tier of these resources. So we'll save this for the holmium solenoids. Then we'll do airframe scaffolding here. Right. And then we have to do the girder thing over there, but because it needs a fluid. So, but we'll there's other stuff, so no worries. Okay, let's then, I think it's ready, right? Yeah, airframe scaffold. Let's go ahead and start going. I think we have everything. Yeah, it's going already. Great, great. Get the beacons. Yeah, I like the idea of putting it all here because we really don't need very much production. Like this airframe, these 4 airframe pole buildings eat all of our ore, and I'm pretty sure this will eat almost all of the airframe poles. So this is good. I like having it here, and we can export it, and so we'll just put it over here as well. Scaffolds, airframe scaffolds, and I think we need it to say that, right? Enable if it's less than 0, yes. Enable if scaffolding is less than or equal to 0, please. And just do maybe just 1 for now, I don't know. Should be good. So then we'll do the scaffold and like the solenoids and the, what's it called? Bearing, heavy bearing here. Then I think we'll also turn this one into an export station eventually too. Okay, okay, we have some life. We have some life. The thermofluid is kind of coming to life here. We can start maybe doing the other one. How many do we have? Did we do enough? I think it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. This is all good, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, looks fine. Oh, I see. Wait, we need a... No, we need a cosmic water recycling system, though, actually. We want you... Could I... Let's do this, then. Can do... Wait, oh no. Maybe? Maybe? Okay, just still do this, and then just do this. It's fine. And then you... Oh man, this isn't good. Okay, let's just move this here, I guess. Go like that. And we want to just put it into like a tank pump thing. So let's grab this. Let's see, how can you work? Oh man, this is not looking great. This is not how I wanted it. Oh my gosh, why do I have so many bots? Have more bots, please. Where'd my tank go? Will that work? Will that work? Is this better? Is that better? Man. Okay. It's fine. It doesn't, I like everything can get here. Alright. Whatever. Yes. Do that. Why don't I have a tank? I don't have any tanks on me? Who ate all my tanks? Alright. We at least have some things going. We have some atomic data. All we're doing is missing the force field data. It just needs a holmium cable, and it's here. Hello. Hello. Oh, hey. Oh, good. Force field data is running. Awesome. Hey. Okay. Some scrap is getting recycled. We've got plenty of those. Subatomic data is happening. I hope that we eat all of this scrap. I'm not sure. We might have to pull it off. We'll see. But we've got the atomic data, we got the subatomic data, we got almost got quantum phenomenon. Hey, we finally made the serial science packs too. The iridium girders got here. How is the Astro catalog looking? 176. Okay, that's something, I guess. So, okay, good, good. Hey, broad energy catalog, we made one. Very good, yay. All right, awesome. All right, then. This is good. I think then it's probably not going to get up and running because there are likely just not enough data cards to support everything here. The thermic fluid is also not built up enough. We don't produce these things fast enough, I guess. Are you missing something? Pumps. Interesting. Pumps are missing. They must just be lost in the logistics network in the wrong place. Let's see, do you guys have pumps? No, right? I didn't think so. Do you have pumps? Oh yeah, there's all sorts of junk in here I don't want. What's that? This? Oh, we don't want that. Look at all this concrete. Why is all that there? Glass shouldn't be in there. That. Are there pumps? There are some. Yes, there are lots of pumps. Have some pumps, please. You want the pumps. You want here, have the glass. Have these. Sulfur. Okay, I'll deal with the rest later. So hopefully that gets our production of thermal radiators back going. But then it does, yeah, hey, we got some action going. Got some more broad catalogs going. Got the holmium cable arriving. Trains are training. And we're looking pretty. I think everything is viable now. And yeah, okay, cool. So I think this will then be where we call the session. We've got now broad energy catalog 2 up and running. We're working our way through the first tier of astronomic catalog, and we're also finally producing some of the second tier of the material catalog as well. But then I think, yeah, we'll call it here today. We'll set the science up next time and keep pushing towards our next goal. I think we actually want to do second tier astronomic catalog next and not biology because, well, I could unlock spaceships and that is really what I want to do. Let's get to spaceships. So hopefully that will happen pretty soon, and then yeah, that'll open up a whole new aspect to the game. We'll actually do some like real legit spaceship logistics, and hopefully also the space elevator. So that's, I really want to connect the spaceships and the space elevator, so that's kind of where I'm aiming, and we're almost there, Just one more tier of science, and just getting enough data cards, I guess, has like always been the problem. We keep the poor base is trying hard as it can to produce as many as possible, but it's just never enough, especially when we add these builds. It causes a huge buffer to, this is not good. This is not good. That's not good. well, I'll have to figure that out as well. So, but then, yeah, this will call it here. There you go, Factorio. I am Pax, and I'll see you in the next video.